I'm going to show you how you can use One4All gift cards in the UK online. First off, you will have to claim the gift card from your email, so just tap on that button right there. Now, once you tap on that button, you'll claim it and you'll be redirected into a One4All website that looks like this, right? So you'll be one4all.com and you will have to log in with your email and your password. If you don't have one, you'll have to register as well. Now, once you log in, you'll be put into a screen like this. Now, on this screen, you just want to tap on the upper right button there to go to your gift cards. Now, once you tap on that, you'll be put into this screen right here. Now, you want to go to your actual gift card here. So right now, my gift card is right there, right? So I have one gift card right there. Now, once I tap on that gift card, you'll be put into a screen like this. Now, on this screen, I just want to tap on Spend Online. Now, on Spend Online, you just want to tap on that, and then you want to follow the on-screen prompts. Now, the method is always changing, so I can't show you the exact method, but don't worry. As long as you press on that button and you follow the on-screen prompt, you'll be able to spend it online, and online includes Amazon as well.